make a beehive out of this jar? Yeah, we can. Hey, everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So I have a pickle jar. I remove the label, but I don't go crazy on getting the sticky off because we're going to cover it. And then I put a little bit of hot glue on my lid of the top of the jar. And then I'm going to start wrapping some jute. Now, this is like I would say a medium weight jute. I got mine at Hobby Lobby, and all I'm doing is just covering the entirety of the jar. I do a layer of glue, and then I do jute, and I wrap the entirety of it, cut the excess, glue it down. Then I'm going to use some more jute, same jute, and I'm going to make a circle on the whatever side you think is the best side, the front, and see how I made a circle. And then I'm going to do the same process. I'm going to glue, then follow that circle that we made all in. Do as many rows of those as you'd like. I don't even know, 4, whatever. Then I paint the inside of that circle black. And now here's where the magic happens. We're going to use some hot glue. And I glop it, whatever way you say it. I put a lot of it on there. And then I tap down my jar so that the glue kind of drips. Yeah. It's going to look like honey. It's going to be great. All right. So while that dries, because it's going to take a minute, I'm making a messy bow. I'm using my little mini bow Dabra, if you're curious, but it's just crisscross applesauce. All it is. I have little strips of fabric. They're probably 1 inch wide by, I don't know, maybe 3 inches long. And I'm just crisscross applesauce. That's all I'm doing. And I have a piece of jute. It's fairly long for my, what is it called? For the tie, I guess. And so I'm going to tie it, and then this is what we're going to use to tie on the jar. Why, you might ask? Because I have commitment issues, and I don't know if I want the bow on there forever or not. So I want the ability to take it off if I don't want it on there. So I did trim it down a little bit, but see, all we're going to do is tie it in a little bow, and because it's jute, it kind of blends in-ish. All right, so then I painted the dried glue. I originally used a brush and it was awful. So then I went in with a dauber. See, that dauber saves me again. And I dabbed it. Look at how good that looks. And then once that was dry, I used some mica and I went over it. Mica is like it's almost like eyeshadow. Holy Toledo, did that make a difference? It makes it shiny. I love it so much. If you're curious, I got my mica from Hippie Crafter. Love it. All right, so then I added some little bees from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to tell you right now, take the little sticky part off the back. Don't be lazy like I was. I thought this was going to be fine. It isn't. It makes it raised. And these are stickers. Did you know that? I didn't realize until I peeled one of my bees off. So pull that little styrofoam sticky thing off. Then you can glue your little bees on. See, it pulled right off. So I just pulled that little styrofoam part off and stick it back on. And look at how cute this is. Quit it right now. Oh, I love it so much. I love it. If you love bees, come on. This is the bee's knees. And you could even put flowers in it if you wanted. I don't know. I like it better the other way, but either way, I think it's adorbs. All right, friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.